am I getting arrested?
You're not arrested.
I drive a school bus for the last 5 years.
School administration in Flagler County, Florida, has been alerted about a possible driving under influence involving a school bus driver. Attempts to contact the driver to pull over were unsuccessful as he continued to drop off children.
So we were notified after we came out of our meeting that, hey, once the other supervisor realized he took the wrong bus, and Doreen came around the corner, she was like, oh, well, kind of smelled like alcohol.
Supervisors pursued the bus and managed to stop it. Sheriff's deputies were dispatched to conduct a DEI investigation. The driver is currently being evaluated by medical personnel.
And so we all lost our shit because...
Yeah, that's something you probably should have stopped before he got off the lot.
So I immediately dispatched my supervisor to go to the bus. We had called him on the radio and told him, you need to pull over to a safe location, whatever. He refused. He wouldn't do it.
Was he being like belligerent on the phone?
Well, why?
School officials recount how the driver was found to smell like alcohol. Despite multiple radio calls to pull over, the driver refused and continued his route.
I got on the radio and said, you need to pull the bus over immediately, and it's nothing to be alarmed about. We're coming to meet the bus. He just kept going. And so once they got behind him, he still refused to stop.
So he got this bus from the lot, went to the school, picked up the kids, and then he was doing his route here, and that's when everything...
He was on his route down. He dropped off something down there, then he came here. I was able, because I tried to catch him down there, but he wouldn't stop. So I had to make a U-turn in the road and follow him.
The bus driver picked up kids and began his route, ignoring requests to stop. A supervisor tried to intercept the bus but had to turn around to follow it.
Inherent cues.
Hey, this guy just ran out of the ambulance.
Where's he at?
I have no idea.
How did he get out?
Yeah, well, they were just giving that information over. For Whiskey Mike, blue shorts and black shoes. He said to give him a PA.
Up there. That's FDL. Delta 313, I'm going to have one detained.
I didn't do anything.
All right. Well, when the responding officer gets here, all right?
Yes.
You can talk to him.
Okay, right. Hold on. My wife, you're hurting me.
How am I hurting you, sir?
Hurting me.
I'm putting handcuffs on you.
Yes, you are.
I'm not hurting
I
you.
didn't do anything.
Okay.
You're hurting me.
Can you explain how?
Yes, you're hurting my arms.
Your
You're
arms?
hurting me.
Okay, well, I'm putting you in custody right now.
Okay. Why?
Huh?
What did I do?
So, can you spread
Yes,
your
what did
feet
I
for me,
do?
please? Spread your
What
feet
did
for
I
me.
do? Wait, what
Spread
did I
your-
do?
Spread your feet
What
for
did
me.
I do?
Sir, stop resisting.
Legs out.
All right, I understand, but what did I do?
We'll explain everything in just a second.
All right, okay. Oh my God, I didn't do anything. Can I go home?
No, 1 second.
The driver continues to protest, claiming he didn't do anything wrong. He mentions his family and repeatedly asks why he's being detained.
I can't go home? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do, sir? Honestly.
Why'd you jump out of curiosity? Why'd you jump out of a daggum ambulance?
I drive a school bus.
I understand that.
Okay?
Why'd you jump out?
I didn't jump out of the school bus. Okay? I just jumped out because I was scared. Okay? I'm not gonna lie to any of you.
I didn't say you
No,
jumped out
I'm
of
not
the
gonna
school bus.
lie. You know, you seen me. I didn't do anything wrong. I love my wife. My wife is home. She's worried about me. I have 5 kids. I have 5 children.
Where's your ID at?
Okay.
Where's your ID at?
Excuse me?
Where's your identification at?
And my wallet.
In your wallet. Where's your wallet?
In the car.
Deputy
I
King,
would not lie to you.
There's nothing in...
You don't have anything?
It's in
He hasn't
the
been in my
car.
car.
It's in the car.
He hasn't been in my
He's
car.
not been in your car?
No, this is as far as we got.
Wait. It's in my car.
Oh, it's in his
my
car.
Officers ask for the driver's ID. He mentions it is in his car and continues to insist on his innocence.
It's right there in my wallet. I don't lie to anybody.
Hey.
What is wrong with you
I'm
guys?
just asking your name. What's your name?
Mark McNeil. I got hit by a bus.
You got hit by a
okay?
bus?
Yes. I was hit by a school bus.
By walking or driving?
I was driving a school bus and I was hit by a bus.
Then you're
okay?
going to the hospital, and then you jumped out.
No, I didn't go to a hospital. No. I didn't go to a hospital. Holy crap. Oh,
You're in the hospital, sir.
I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm fine.
Normal
I'm
people
fine.
Don't jump out of the hospital.
I'm fine. Listen to my wife. My wife will tell you that I'm fine. Why am I getting arrested?
You're not arrested. You are not under arrest. Okay? You are being detained at this time.
Why? I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
Listen.
I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay, you said you were driving a bus, right?
Yes.
All right.
I drive a school bus for the last 5 years.
Okay.
Yes.
I don't know why you're yelling.
And I'm getting arrested for what?
You're being detained right now so we can figure out what happened. We're not doing anything right now besides trying to get information, okay?
You were there.
How was I?
You were there. I saw you there yesterday. I saw you there.
I didn't work yesterday, so I don't know how you did
yeah,
that.
whatever. I saw you there yesterday. Yeah, why you guys holding me?
So you don't
Wait, what? I'm not gonna go
You
away.
ran out of an ambulance.
I'm not
How do we
gonna
know
go
you're
away.
not gonna run from us?
No. I'm not gonna go away. Why are you holding me? I'm not gonna fall.
What do you have all over your back?
My back.
All wet.
This is my what I wear when I drive a bus.
The officers try to gather more information, but the driver becomes more agitated, claiming he did nothing wrong and expressing concern for the safety of the kids on the bus.
Whatever, sir, okay? I drive a bus for 5 years. Holy mackerel. Man, you guys are really detaining me for this? You're detaining me?
Yes, so we can figure out what happened.
What happened?
We're waiting for you to tell us.
I told you already. Call my wife.
Your wife wasn't there, so how would she know?
My wife knows.
Your wife knows you were driving a school bus, right?
I drive a school bus for the past 5 years. Okay?
So what happened today on the school bus?
So, are you guys really keeping me here? All I cared was my kids were not hurt. And you know what? And all the parents showed up at the bus stop and said the same thing. Hey, you know what? Hey. And I had 2 students and 2 parents that told me that they would stick up for me. So I'm gonna go to jail now? Hey, man. Come on. I'm a good guy, man. All I care about is my children on the bus. That's all I care about. That's all I care about is my kids on the bus.
We're trying to figure out what happened. You say you care about the kids on the bus. Some of the kids got home and were scared.
Yes, of course they were scared. Of course they were.
Why?
Because they were scared.
An officer notes an odor of alcohol from the driver. The driver denies drinking and refuses to perform further sobriety tests, claiming he already did one that morning.
You know what? Arrest me if you want. Just arrest me. Okay?
We're just trying to figure out what's
Just arrest me. Just arrest me. Just arrest me. Go ahead. I don't care. All I cared was my kids on the bus was safe. That's all I cared about. You want to arrest me? Arrest me. All I cared about was my kids on the bus. That's it.
I want to tell you what I'm observing. When I talked to you earlier and asked you a couple questions, I smell an odor of an alcoholic beverage coming
Not
from
at
you.
all.
Okay.
Not at all.
Okay, with that being said,
Not at all.
I understand. With that being said, are you willing to do field sobriety exercises?
I already did one this morning.
You did field sobriety exercises this
Yeah,
morning?
because I had an accident yesterday.
The officer informs the driver that he has the right to refuse the tests, but under the circumstances, they can proceed with a DUI arrest.
Sir,
Are you willing to do field sobriety exercises?
No.
No? Okay.
No.
You have that right.
Okay, so you're going to arrest me?
Okay, so
Are you going to arrest me?
Sir, I need you to listen to me. Okay? You have the right to refuse to do field sobriety exercises. That's fine. But under adverse consequences, I can make an arrest for DUI.
Sir.
Okay?
Sir.
All right, so you know what?
Are you really thinking that I'm...
Go ahead, sit in my car. Okay? So at this time, you were placed under arrest for operating a motor vehicle. Okay? DUI. Go ahead and put him in my car. You want to swap them out? Yes, please. Thank you.
You really think that I would drive a bunch of school kids? Huh? You really think that I would do that? Huh?
Well, not, but look
What
where
the
we
hell?
are.
What the hell do you look like? Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Sir, please stop moving.
I'm not moving.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. Look at you. Look at you. You would think that you would do that?
Have a seat. Have a seat.
The police report indicates that the driver submitted a breath sample at the jail, which showed a blood alcohol concentration of 0.32, 4 times the legal limit. The driver continues to show signs of exhaustion.
All right, go on. For discussions.
Thank you much, officer.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Okay.
What do you think? Do you think the police action was okay, or do you think the suspect acted above the law? Leave a like and comments behind. Stay tuned for more videos.
Okay, sir.
Let me know if you need any assistance.
Yes, no, I don't need no assistance.